Okay, so I get my iPad in. Let's see how my iPad will fit in here. So I think just slide in there and open that up. So do that there, click, and do that there to click. Let's get this open a bit. Yeah, a bit of a challenge to get this one in there. That's it. To the back as well, which is quite good. Hopefully it doesn't wear off soon though. At that point, see a bit of a freckle there, see that? But hopefully it lasts a bit longer. You guys can see that, that's okay. Got a good big magnet here as well. Flip around. Yeah, it's when it's flat. Yeah, it's almost the same size. It's almost the same thickness of the iPad. So you can see there. Keyboard looks really neat. Material looks very smart. Although the keys are soft, but softer than I would have want them. But that's the charging port there, which is USB-C. It looks good from the side as well. The angle is a bit more on that one, but it's not too bad. Keep that in. See how heavy that is. Okay, this is how well this thing's come on and off. If I do that, that's a bit of a push, but see if I go volume, it's not too bad. It's okay. Good access protection here and there. The keys are soft, great for typing. Sounds good as well. You have shortcuts here as well. It takes you back to the home screen. You can adjust the brightness of the keyboard. You can launch the keyboard, soft keyboard on the screen. You can take that off. You can fast forward to pause. So great. Overall, looks good. And if I close that just to see what it looks like when I'm not using it. So you can hear the click when you close it, it does click. Yeah, and then that goes flat. So it looks like a mini laptop actually. Probably do another review after 6 months to 1 year and see how well it withstands wear and tear.